Hey guys, so another rewatch today. We're looking at the game that actually mattered. This was probably our closest to a battle royale the other night. I'm actually starting a little earlier in the show. Normally I start right at Treaty Drop, but I just had to show this to you guys. This is a map played on Black Forest Nothing. The teams are Larry. Look at Larry's base space. Kid had zero space. Holy cow! No wonder they lost. So we'll look at that, and then everyone else is fine. So there's Joel. This is Sam, and on the outside, I think it's Austin. Yeah, it's Austin, and Austin's got miles of room. It's like holy cow, there's so much room there on Austin's side. Then on this side, we have Spencer, who I'm beginning to think is a solid 4. We've got Alex. We've got Taylor. And then I'm right here. So I've also got a weird base, but I have tons of space. So unlike Larry, I just wanted to... There's no room on that base. Holy cow, where is he supposed to build? It's like, I guess over here? I guess that's what I would be doing, is I'd be exploring, I'd put a GC right here, I guess. But ridiculous. So, all right, I'm going to pause my recording now and fast forward to the Treaty Drop.